Meaning of indelibly.
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 Indelibly. Indelibly means in a way that cannot be erased or removed. Something that is indelible leaves a permanent mark or impression that cannot be easily forgotten or undone. It signifies something that is deeply ingrained and memorable. The word indelibly is often used to describe emotions or experiences that leave a lasting impact on a person's life, such as the loss of a loved one or a significant life-changing event. These experiences become etched into a person's memory and shape who they are, leaving an indelible mark on their life.